Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok in less than 1 minute. Blocking someone on TikTok means that they won't be able to see your profile, your videos, or interact with you in any way. This can be useful if you want to avoid unwanted attention, harassment, or spam from certain users. So, let's get started. Step 1. First, you need to open the TikTok app on your phone and find the profile of the person you want to block. You can do this by searching for their username in the search bar or by tapping on their profile picture if they appear in your following or followers list. Step 2. Once you're on their profile page, tap the arrow icon in the top right corner. This will open a menu with various options. From this menu, select Block. At second last option, you will see a confirmation pop-up asking you if you're sure you want to block this user. Step 3. Tap Block again to confirm your choice. You will see a message saying you blocked this account on their profile page. This means that you have successfully blocked them from your TikTok account. If you ever change your mind and want to unblock someone on TikTok, you can do that easily as well. Just go back to their profile page and tap the Unblock button. You will see another confirmation pop-up asking you if you want to unblock this user. Tap Unblock again to confirm your choice. You will see a message saying Unblock on their profile page. This means that you have successfully unblocked them from your TikTok account. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching this video.